Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to set up IPTV Smarters Pro on your LG TV. Let's get started. First, click on Apps, and then select App Search. Next, search for IPTV Smarters Pro. Once you find it, click on it and select Install. The app will begin downloading and installing. Once the installation is complete, search for IPTV Smarters Pro again. Click on it, then select TV and choose Save. Next, scroll down, click on Accept, and select Extreme Codes. Now you'll need to enter the details provided by your IPTV service provider. By the way, the process is the same for both Samsung and LG TVs. Simply go to the App Store on your LG or Samsung TV, search for IPTV Smarters Pro, download it, and install it. If you can't find the app, it means your TV doesn't support IPTV Smarters Pro. In that case, the best option is to use an Android device. And that's basically how you can set up IPTV Smarters Pro on an LG TV. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and giving it a big thumbs up. Thanks for watching.